In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add re-enrollment triggers to a workflow in HubSpot. If you're using automation, this is an important feature to understand because it allows contacts to re-enter a workflow when certain conditions are met. Let's start from the beginning. Log into your HubSpot account and go to the Automation tab. From there, click on Workflows. This is where all your automated processes live. You can either open an existing workflow or create a new one. If you're just testing things out, feel free to open a workflow you already have set up. Once you're inside the workflow editor, look for the Settings tab. This is where you control important configuration options. Inside the Settings area, find the option that allows re-enrollment. By default, contacts usually go through a workflow only once. Enabling re-enrollment changes that. It allows contacts to enter the same workflow again if they meet specific criteria in the future. Turn on the re-enrollment option, and then you'll be prompted to define the triggers. These triggers are the conditions that must happen for a contact to re-enter the workflow. For example, you might choose a trigger like a contact submitting a specific form again, a property value changing, or a contact revisiting a key page such as a pricing page. The right trigger depends on your goal. If you're nurturing leads, you might want them to re-enroll when they show renewed interest. If you're running ongoing promotions, you might use a form submission as your trigger. Once you've selected the appropriate conditions, make sure to save your changes. This step is important. If you don't save, your new triggers won't apply. After saving, activate or update your workflow so the changes go live. From there, monitor the workflow's performance to make sure re-enrollment is working as expected. You can review the enrollment history and analytics to confirm contacts are re-entering when they should. And that's how you add re-enrollment triggers to a workflow in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.